How do you spell snowy?
W-S-S-O-W-Y.
Hello, my name is Teacher David, and today I would like to introduce to you my worksheets that I have created for use in the ESL classroom, but also you can use them at home with your child to review the lesson that you've learned. Basically, we have at the moment 38 topics, and each topic is split into 3 lessons. You see the topics, the typical topics for young learners of ESL, all very interesting, all lots of fun, all things that kids will learn every day at school. First, so I said 38 topics, 3 lessons. The first lesson is always going to be what we call a tracing sheet. So the child will trace the word and then match the word with the picture. And that just helps the child. The first time the child sees the word, it helps the child understand the beginning letter of the word. We can sound the word out, see the word and say the word. It's great for the kid. Also, on some of the sheets I have activities, extra activities at the bottom, where the child can draw a picture of something. So for example, this is draw what you can do. The second lesson of each topic is always a word maze, and I like this. I don't know where I got this from. I just kind of came upon it. I just invented this idea of a word maze. Pictures around the outside, words in the inside. The kid has to match the picture with the word again, recognition of what the word is and the picture, understanding, and then a little bit of fun where they have to draw a line and through the maze and match the word with the picture. Lots of fun doing that. And then the final lesson of each topic is a word search, the final test, if you like, to make sure that the child recognizes the word that has been taught, and so that they can find the word inside the maze and spell the word, essentially, just to make sure inside the word search they can spell the word. This is the best activity for kids. They love this. Kids love to be challenged, something you realize. Kids love challenges, they really do. They love achievement, the feeling of achievement, and this might look difficult, but I've done this with 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds, foreign language learners, and they all love it. It's their favourite thing. So that's my introduction of my worksheet course. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Links to the downloads is below. If you are interested in me teaching your child English or learning English from me, send me a message and we can get in contact and I can introduce to you how I teach English. Thank you for your time.